Welcome back to Learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a simple color cube. At first we need a grid. We can add one under File, Document Properties, go to Grids right here, and then choose Axonometric Grid. Under the drop down click on New, and it will be visible. By default you can keep the defaults or adjust it here, for example make it invisible, but for our example we'll just keep it as it is. And we can already see it right here, but maybe you are zoomed out a little bit more. Just zoom in until you can find these basic grid units, so the triangles. Let me create one with the Bezier tool. The snapping is enabled on the right hand side, and that helps me finding the right position. I'll get rid of the stroke, so hold shift, click on the X, and I give it a black fill. And now I use Ctrl D to copy these elements, and then I position them in the grid. And this will be our basic cube. So right here, this shape. And all I have to do is to fill these areas now with triangles. So once again, Ctrl D, and then reposition the copies. Now we are done with the first set of triangles. Let me create another one right here with the Bezier tool once more, and I'll make that gray. So I'll hold shift, click on the X to get rid of the stroke, and then I click on the gray color swatch to give it a gray fill. I'll hold shift and click on all of these triangles to have them all selected, then Ctrl D, and I fill the areas once more. So this would be our basic cube shape, and now it's all about finding a color palette that we need. And you can click on this little triangle on the right hand side at the bottom right here, and it opens up several default color palettes that are inbuilt in Inkscape, and you can just pick one and it changes the color swatches right here at the bottom. And then you can select these triangles individually and add a fill with a simple left click. I'm just going to go over this with this bluish example, but you're free to use whatever you want. So in the thumbnail I've used all of the colors available. Just pick something that you like. I'm just going to use this bluish one so that you can see it applied on a real life example. When you've got what you want, just select it all, Ctrl G to group it, and you can get rid of the grid. Once more we go to File and Document Properties for that. And then the grids, we can simply click on remove down here, and it's gone. So here I'm on the grids where we've added the grid before, and there you should find the remove button. And this I can create such a color cube in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.